Dealing with blemishes can be frustrating, but instead of picking, try a gentle approach like the cotton ball method. Start by washing your face with a mild, fragrance-free cleanser. Then apply a warm, wet cotton ball to the pimple for 10 to 15 minutes, repeating 3 to 4 times daily to help draw out pus. For persistent acne, consider over-the-counter topical medications containing ingredients like salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide, and maintain a consistent skincare routine by washing your face twice daily and exfoliating weekly with a chemical exfoliant. Additionally, lifestyle adjustments such as reducing stress, getting adequate sleep, and washing your hair regularly can help prevent breakouts. For more severe cases, consult a doctor or dermatologist about oral medications like contraceptives, antibiotics, or isotretinoin.